Hi guys, Carspar 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. We got a special one in front of us today. And really enough, this one is all Mopar related. Yeah, this is an all Mopar 5-pack. One of those packs that collectors and myself are going after. Yeah, a lot of collectors do go after this pack. You know it's not Japanese, it's all American. But this is where some of our most iconic cards ever took place. It's included in this pack. And today we will be unboxing this one and get a closer look at each one. So without further ado, let's get started and get this pack unboxed. So here we go, guys. Oh yeah. I know a lot of you guys have been looking for this pack for quite some time too. It's been quite a while for me to find this pack. After I've been hearing a lot about it. But I'm glad I finally found one. And yeah, so that's why we're doing this right now. Okay, I got it out of there. Now, only you. I gotta move like this. And now it's time to get started with the first car. The 1969 Dodge Daytona. Let's start with the front as always. There are no details on the front or rear at all on this one. In fact, every Dodge Daytona of Hot Wheels, there are no details on either at all. Even on the first one, it has no details. But Hot Wheels, Mattel, one of these days you guys need add details to these muscle cars. In fact, you need to add details on all cars. And at least so far. Meanwhile, let's talk about the side of this one. Because that's where the most and then come on this one. The wheels, oh, these wheels suit well. Oh, they let this car look so good with these wheels. And I love the white outline on these wheels. And on the rear, you can see the word Daytona on it. And there's the word Dodge on it. Number 1 on the side doors is, oh yeah, dude, you can find some more decal over here with number 1 on it, and black stripes on it. And look at this. It says 426 cubic inch V8. Yeah, that's what engine is for this car. Well, let me put that beautiful car over here. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna have to move it back a little bit. Alright. Let's get the next car right here. The 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Unfortunately, there are no details in the front or rear at all on this one either. Now, the older ones, the older Dodge SRT8s, I was doing details, but looks like this one does not. There's a lot of white over this one, but it actually has some on this one. But here are all the decals on this one, especially these classic wheels. I think glad Hot Wheels brought those little wheels back. And for this one, and you see here, decals all over the place, with a lot of black and like blue. And the Mopar logo and the word Mopar painted on the doors as well. That's very nice for a challenger like this one. Alright, so let me put that challenger right there and get the next one. We have a Dodge Red Express truck coming out next in a brand new yellow color. Sadly, there's no details at all on this one. But there are white smokestacks and the interior that they have me white. There's yellow all over the place. The wheels are painted white. And there's Dodge on there. And there's some orange and red on the strut as well. It's kind of blurry though, but it's there. Yeah, there we go. You guys will be able to see it better now. Overall, it's nice. Alright, telling you guys of the original Dodge Challenger. ART, 1970 model year. Sadly, like all the other ones, no details. But the decals on this one is quite nice. With the heavy Challenger right there, there's a Mopar badge again. The little logo. And it's white and orange. There's a lot of silver on this one too. And it's a black orange. So is the interior on this one. The wheels are painted orange as well. Oh, whoa. This is a nice Challenger right here. Well, we have about one more car to go, and that's the Dodge Viper GTS R concept. Yeah, this is a concept version. This is a more production version of the Dodge Viper GTS R. Unfortunately, no details. In fact, all of them had no details at all on this one. And because American cars rarely get details. But for the Matchbox side, there are details on those cars, but for Hot Wheels, they rarely get details. But let's look around this Viper. There's rear wing, big one though. Bit of user too. A lot of wheels, they look very good on it. There is the hood vents. The concept version had a lot of that. It's more detailed on this one with the Dodge. The Viper GTS-R. A little more red in there. There's some white in there as well. Side exhaust. All track cars have that. Even the concept variants. This is a beautiful Viper. I know. Well, guys, that's it for this one. What do you guys think to these 5 cars? There's a drag race coming off for these 5. And right after this one. So, everyone, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.